Okay guys, so I was looking through my music and then if you scroll right down to the X, look what I found. Illuminati confirmed. Oh my god. Yeah. Illuminati confirmed, and plus I didn't even download it. I haven't downloaded any of these. I think someone's been on my tablet. I mean, like, look. It's like so sad. But yeah.